So I recently started using Adobe Express, and something I do a lot is importing in an image and then using a clipping mask to create a certain shape from that image. So for example, this was a square and now it's a circle. For this, I'd want a circle. Well, in Canva, you would go over to Elements and grab a shape you like, and then you would go over to Uploads and grab the image and bring it into the shape. It's a little bit different in Adobe Express. In Adobe Express, you click on your shape, make sure it's selected, and then go to crop. And then crop will give you all of the different shapes that you may want, or you can just do it freeform. But for this sake, let's do a circle, and that's it. So that's how you do that in Adobe Express. I hope you guys found this helpful.